Hi everyone, Leigh Goldstein here for 10-Minute Trades. I just wanted to give you a heads up that we have a brand new pro membership we've just released, very reasonably priced every month, and this is a great time to take advantage of it. Earnings season is coming up. Our new software is being released in 2 to 3 weeks. There are a lot of fantastic news events that are just on the precipice waiting to be traded. The WASD report, FOMC minutes, all of these events, we will teach you how to trade them in our trade room, and you'll be able to use our software, receive our daily trade reports, and learn to become a news trader by joining our new pro membership. We really take pride in teaching you how to trade futures using the NinjaTrader platform, trading the way that we trade. It's an exciting, not a method where you have to sit all day in front of the charts, but more a method where you can schedule your own trades and decide when during the week you want to come into the trade room, which events you're going to trade, and you decide how much time you want to spend in the markets trading these fantastic events. So I just wanted to give you a heads up. This is a fantastic time to join our new pro membership. It's very reasonable. There's a trial that you could take, and then it turns into a $97 a month charge. You get our daily trade reports. You can use our software, all sorts of great aids that we teach you how to use to trade the news at 10-minute trades. So come on in, join us. I'd like to see you in the trade room next week before the WASD report is released. That's a fantastic grain report that we trade every month, and it's also a family money trade. Trades that we teach our members how to trade. They're trades that we would only trade our family's own money because we love these events and we think they're wonderful events to trade. We call them family money trades. So join up with us. JOBB version 11 software is coming soon. We think that we're going to have a fantastic year. It's already deep into 2024, and you're being left behind if you don't know how to trade the news, trade on your own schedule, trading in our trade room with all of our fantastic members, learning all about fast-moving market events, trading by appointment. It's all up to you. Take your future in your hands, learn how to be a trader. It's a skill you can have for the rest of your life. Leigh Goldstein here for 10-Minute Trades. I'm looking forward to seeing you on the inside. Take care, everyone.